The 61-key keyboard bundle MK-100 is perfect for both beginners and intermediate players, offering a complete set with all necessary accessories for immediate play. This electronic keyboard is loaded with a vast array of sounds, featuring 255 timbres, 255 rhythms, and 24 demonstration songs to explore. The user-friendly design includes customizable controls and an LCD display, allowing musicians to easily adjust settings and personalize their sound. A standout feature is the recording and playback capability, which is perfect for refining your skills and practicing vocals with the included microphone and headphones. The bundle includes a sturdy, 3-position adjustable stand and a comfortable padded stool, ensuring a pleasant playing experience for extended periods. With the option to use either 6 AA batteries or the included power adapter, this keyboard offers the ultimate portability and convenience for musicians on the go.